In this example, let's imagine a total of 500 participant households that receive wash interventions make up the sampling frame, and we've calculated a sample size for our survey of 100 households. For this made-up dataset, I've labeled the households and villages with a random number like household 1, household 2, etc. But of course, normally you would have the actual surname of the household and the name of the village, along with any other relevant columns in your sampling frame. To draw a simple random sample, we'll assign each household a random number using the rand function in Excel. In the first cell of the column to the right of your data, we type $rand with open and close parentheses, which will assign a number between 0 and 1. You can see the formula has generated a number here in cell E2. To apply this formula to all the other cells in this column, you can select E2 and double-click the bottom right of the cell, or you can click, hold, and drag. As we scroll through, we can see each household has been assigned a random number. You'll notice that the numbers will get randomly assigned again if you click on a cell, edit something, or filter. Because of this, we want to freeze the randomly generated numbers. You can do this by selecting the values, copying them with Control-C, pasting with Control-V, and when we paste, we'll be sure to paste them as values. Now, rather than having a formula in these cells, you have the number itself. Now we'll rank these random numbers from low to high by clicking the Sort and Filter function on the home ribbon of Excel. You can see the households have now been randomly reordered. Because we've calculated a sample size of 100 households, we'll select the first 100 households. We can denote this by adding a column for selected or by marking these rows in another way, like highlighting. Congratulations! You've just drawn a simple random sample. These are the households that we will contact when we go to conduct our survey.